We were sent this wireless microphone set to test out. Now, here I'm going to show you everything that's going to come complete in the box, but I also want to talk to you about how I liked the product. So, the pros and cons of it. For something this small, the sound is a lot clearer than what I expected. The noise reduction actually does work. Outside sounds and background chatter don't overpower your voice, which is a huge help if you film in different spots around the house or outside. Typically, if there's a dog barking, setup is basically effortless. It's literally plug in and play. And I love that it works with an iPhone, iPad, and an Android, so you don't have to have one or the other. No app, no complicated pairing, just clip it on and you're recording. The clip holds really well too. It doesn't tug on clothes or feel heavy, as you can tell here. The 360-degree pickup is nice because you don't have to worry about holding still or pointing the mic a certain way. I've walked around with it, clipped it on, and the audio stayed consistent, which is perfect for recording demos, unboxing, or quick TikTok videos. Battery life has been solid so far. I filmed several clips back to back and it didn't die on me, which is more than I can say for some of the other ones I've tried. If you create content, whether it's vlogs, product reviews, YouTube shorts, or TikToks, this little mic makes a noticeable difference. It's lightweight, easy to use, and the audio upgrade is immediate.